This video was shot in conjunction with Jeremy Ramirez, who has the Sharkbait and Sand Crab YouTube channel. Please visit him. On the west end of Galveston Island, there's a place called San Luis Pass. And on the north end of that pass, there's a lot of banks for fishing. But some of those banks, depending on weather, are really grassy mud flats. And the roots, once you get past those, you're kind of dead in mud and water. There was a Jeep that Jeremy was notified, and it had been there all night, and we were there for the recovery. I was there for the assist. Recoveries were attempted overnight, but they were unsuccessful due to sliding in the wet grass. We needed to pull a dual winching scenario to create more resistance. There's Jeremy taking lead on this. You always need a leader in a recovery because communication is key and safety's priority. We wanted to first get this Jeep out of the hole and then have the driver back it up. Both of us had to continue to communicate as well as ensure equal tension on the lines.
Try to get in it. Try to back up. That right tire's in a big hole. Passenger side.
That grassy area can fool a lot of people. A few inches below and you could be stuck. Very successful, and I'm sure they're happy. And here's the man.
Thank you, John. Thank you for the assist.
Thank you for watching.